Not sure if this is going to work, but if it does, I'll do it 6 more times. We got a lithium ion to charge at 2 amps and a 1 cell, 3.6 volts. So here we go. So she's all charged up. Worked out pretty alright. So let's get another cell, try it again. Alright, the cells charged up to within about a volt of each other. Now, it's time to turn them into a battery.
Hey guys, I'm Cyborg Sheep, and welcome to the Weekend Post. In this video, we are going to be setting up and testing an electric motor system. Now while I can't tell you what this system will be used for, what I can tell you is that if this test is a success, the video that follows will be so awesome. So let's keep building, shall we?
Alrighty then. So, assuming that this is all wired up correctly, we should see around 24 volts between here and here. Oh yeah! So, this battery is going to be powering this controller. This controller is going to be controlling this motor. The motor that I bought is rated for 4-cell batteries, but the controller that I got is only rated for a minimum of 6 cells. Genius! So, I have a solution. A different motor. So, the last hurdle to jump over, before we can plug everything in and test this system out, is that these motor leads, the connectors on them, are a little bit too small. If I put the phase in there, you can see hot dog down a hallway. So, gotta change these out, or basically I guess what I'll do is I'll just make an intermediary sort of cable and probably just chop these off and put a couple more of these on here. And then on the AC end, I'll stick some of these larger bullet connectors on these cables, and the other end will get the aforementioned grip connectors. So let's do this. going to get the black wire. B is going to get the red wire. C is going to get the blue wire. And putting on the motor phase wires. So A needs to go to the black wire. B needs to go to the red wire. C needs to go to the blue wire. We can hook up the sensor wire. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is it. Where the voltage meets the motor. Alright, let's do this. So, holding the start button. Turning on the SC. Okay, release that. So, theoretically, when I release this, the throttle trigger, the motor should start turning smoothly. What? No way! Oh, dude! It's working! Yes! Yes! Awesome! Dude, this is flippin' awesome. You guys better get subscribed right now, because this project is gonna be frickin' awesome. Don't forget to hit that like button also. This project, I can't wait to get started. I'll see you guys in the next video.